Part 4. Let's talk about how to mix those metals. I know you see it all the time, and you wonder, how do people do that? How do they know what metals look good together? And as you can see here, there are 3 different metals in this photograph, not to mention the white metal or the white molding around this mirror. Okay, so the first metal I want to talk to you about is chrome. Here you see it on the faucet. It's a polished silver metal, and it's often used in design to make things go away because it acts like a mirror. It's really easy to pair other warm metals with chrome because it does just that. It kind of goes away. So we're going to use this image to talk about metals only. I think this is a really great example. You could do a polished nickel, or if you're on a budget, polished chrome faucet, and then you could pair it with trendier items like this gold light fixture or this black hardware that could be changed out much more frequently and more cost effective. So now that we've talked through our function, our finishes, our accent metals, next we're going to see how all of that is applied to your builder grade bathroom. So stay tuned.